Barb's first record was a song called Rags Upon My Shoulders. Bobby wrote it, Barb sang it. It did very well, made the charts in a number of major markets. Matter of fact, it sold like hotcakes right here in the Midwest.
And if you want a copy of it, Barb is having a hotcake sale in her garage next weekend.
Rags upon my shoulders, no shoes upon my feet. Still I'm the richest poor girl in the world. When I said that I loved you, for better or for worse, I knew a bed of roses wouldn't be. Though we don't have much money, our life is filled with love. So I'm as rich as any girl you see. Rags upon my shoulders, no shoes upon my feet. But don't say you feel sorry for this girl. Rags upon my shoulders, no shoes upon my feet. Still I'm the richest poor girl in the world. So thank you for the offer. Well, I'm flattered that you care to give me things you think the world of. But you can keep your Cadillacs and all your diamonds too. And I'll stay with the one who gives me love. Rags upon my shoulders, no shoes upon my feet. Oh, but don't say you feel sorry for this girl. Rags upon my shoulders, no shoes upon